Okay, here's Men at Work, Colin Hay. Who can it be now? Guitar, I just have the D tuned down, the E string tuned down to a D.
Who can it be knocking at my door? Go away, don't come round here no more. Can you see that it's late at night? I'm very tired and I'm not feeling right. All I wish is to be alone. Stay away, don't you invade my home. Best off if you hang outside. Don't come in, I'll only run and hide. Who can it be now? 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 Who can it be knocking at my door? Make no sound, tiptoe across the floor. If he hears, he'll knock all day. I'll be trapped, and here I'll have to stay. I've done no harm, I keep to myself. There's nothing wrong with my state of health. I like it here with my childhood friend. Here they come, those feelings again. Who can it be now? 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 Is a man come and take me away? Why do they follow me? It's not the future that I can see, it's just my fantasy. Who can it be now? Who can it be